from the Claude terminal. We start with the prompt saying I want to create a web app using Streamlit that lets one to upload a dataset and chat with it. Think through high level what modules are needed and what packages are needed. Now Claude gives us a high level breakdown for the chat with your dataset Streamlit app. It has 5 modules in the architecture that it proposes. It has 5 modules: Streamlit, data loader, chunker, embedder, chunker plus embedder, vector store, LLM, etc. But this is not the architecture that I want. I want to use LangChain's pandas data from agent, which helps us in understanding the natural language questions and give us an output. So I'm again prompting the Claude saying that it's too complicated an architecture. I want to use LangChain pandas data from agent to process the natural language questions. Think again. So this time the Claude is giving us a simplified architecture where it has only 3 modules: Streamlit, and then a pandas data frame, a module to upload the pandas data frame, and then agent that generates and runs the pandas plus matplotlib code. So this is exactly what I wanted. So I'm asking it to generate the app code for that app, but I want to do it step by step so that after each step I can test it and make sure things are working. So I'm asking it to I'm giving this prompt saying that this architecture is fine, but let's do it step by step. First, let's create a Streamlit app that offers a chat interface. Second, let's add feature to upload a dataset. Third, let's integrate LangChain data from agent to answer the natural language questions. So, and I'm also adding saying that I want each step to be testable. Give a step by step how we can go about creating this web app. Now, Claude is giving us the step by step, step 1, step 2, and step 3. For each of the step, it gives a goal, what it's going to build, and also test. So going through this, I'm perfectly okay with what Claude is going to do. So I'm saying okay, go ahead with step 1. Step 1, it creates a chat application. So using Streamlit, and then once it's done, it says I have done it. Step 1 is ready, and it also gives us the way in which to run the app. So I'm testing this app, and then after I see that it's working, I'm prompting it to do step 2, which for step 2 it adds the code to upload the dataset in the Streamlit chat window. So after step 2 is ready, it's again asking us to test it. Once that is tested, I'm asking to do step 3. And in step 3, it adds the final important step of integrating the LangChain pandas data from agent, so that we can ask natural language questions in the chat, and we will get an output. So it is making the changes, and then once I approve the changes, it's saying that step 3 is completed, and it again asks me to test it. So with this, the app is built. Now I'm asking it to create a virtual environment with all the packages and dependencies added using UV. Help me do it. So now it gives a step by step. It's asking me to install PIP, install UV, and then it adds all the dependencies and requirements.txt. So once that is done, it gives me the commands that I should use to run the app. So first command to activate the environment, and the second command to run the app. Now I know that the app is ready and the packages are installed. I run the app, but when I do it, I run into an issue. So it says missing optional dependency tablet. So I'm coming back. I'm in the Claude command terminal itself. I say I run into this issue on the app, error missing optional dependency tablet, using PIP or Conda to install tablet. So Claude understands that one of the packages is missing, so it adds a tablet into the requirements.txt, and then it asks me to try again. This time I try again and I get a different error. This time I'm able to upload the dataset and then ask it some simple questions like how many rows are there. But when I plot, I'm getting this error saying that figure canvas AGG is non-interactive and thus cannot be shown. So it is a problem with matplotlib plots not being rendered correctly. So I again prompt saying that I get this error when I ask it to plot between two columns on the chat. So, and I'm also giving the error. So now the Claude agent is the Claude-code terminal. After I put this, it is figuring out that plot.show doesn't work on Streamlit. So we need to capture the figure and display it with st.pyplot. So it came up with a solution, and it also made the changes to the code which I approved. So once that is done, I test again this particular changes, and then I see that everything is working. And finally, I ask it to create a readme.md with all the steps to run. So with that, I'm able to fully generate the web app in almost like 6 to 7 prompts. So the app is so we can see this app in the GitHub, and with all the app.py, requirements.txt, readme.md, everything.